teachers and indigents of Development Primary School in Egbelu Nguru, Ngokpala local government area of Imo State are calling on the state government to urgently intervene. The school, which has existed since 1956, is currently grappling with dilapidated classrooms, shortage of teachers, and the lack of basic amenities. Our correspondent in Imo State, Eyitokwe Kutoyi, now reports.
Behind the excitement and laughter lies a sobering reality. The school, founded in 1956, is in a state of decay. Its classrooms are dilapidated, learning materials scarce, and essential amenities non-existent.
The community has been helping. They have employed 5 teachers to support, because we are only 3 teachers, government teachers, and it could not go around for the children. So we complained to them. They employed 5 teachers to support us. Since that time, the number of this school has increased from 60 to 110 now. We have seen a lot of improvement in the school, and they are doing a lot of things. They buy chalks, they buy tables and chairs for the teachers, and they also have provision to repair this bad building that is here.
Community teachers like Joy Okere echo the challenges faced daily in delivering quality education under such difficult conditions.
I want the government to look into the school properly. If you can see, look at our dilapidated building. The government should come in and rebuild it. The government should at least provide some amenities for us. Like the school don't have toilets, we don't have borehole, that is water for the children. All these things are lacking. I want the government to come in and help us to provide all this so that the kids will feel happy.
Leaders of the Egbelu Nguru community are not keeping silent. They are calling on the Imo State government to come to the aid of the school by renovating structures, providing instructional materials, and recruiting more qualified teachers.
We are planning to fence this school. Anywhere government should help us, they should come. This school is lacking a lot of things, but we are not looking at government, but we still need their help. So, when individual would start bringing money, it looks somehow why government is capable to do it.
We have 9 staff now. From this 9, the community gave us 5. Are you hearing me? The community gave us 5. And that has pulled some pupils population. In the same way, here, we are not with fence. And this place is now porous for wrong users of the road.
During a recent stakeholders meeting with local government chairman and traditional rulers, Governor Hope Uzodinma acknowledges the challenges facing the education sector, blaming years of neglect and mismanagement by previous administrations and lack of transparency by Subed.
I am Mrs. Egbelu Nguru, the headmistress of DPS Egbelu Nguru. I am grateful to those Rotary Club that gave us these chairs for the children. We appreciate it. We thank you very much. We please ask you for more help if you can. We need more chairs in the school. Teachers don't have table. We need desks and restroom and some other things in the school. We appreciate you. Thank you very much.
Please, despite the assistance the school has gotten from some members of the community, both home and abroad, the school management is still pleading for more hands for speedy development of the school. Thanks.
Teachers guiding every stride, hope and courage side by side. Through small steps the path was paved, future leaders slowly shaped. Feel the rhythm in your soul, let the music take control.